In the joyful kingdom of Snickerdoodle, there lived a bright, bubbly girl named Princess Pickle. No one quite knew why she was called Pickle. Some said it was because she always found herself in funny, twisty situations, just like a pickle in a sandwich. Now Princess Pickle loved jokes. She told morning jokes, lunchtime jokes, bedtime jokes. Sometimes, she even told jokes in her sleep. Her favorite treasure was the Giggle Crown, a sparkling crown that giggled whenever it heard something funny. Sometimes it would give a soft tee-hee, other times a tiny snork, and on very good joke days, a happy hoo-hoo. But one bright, sunshiny morning, something happened. Princess Pickle woke up, stretched and called out. Why did the cookie go to the doctor? Because it felt crummy. The room laughed. The royal guards laughed. Even the royal dog, Waffle, gave a barky giggle. But then, the Giggle Crown burst into uncontrollable laughter. Hee 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 ha 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 ha. Ho 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 oh my. It shook, it wiggled, and it bounced on Pickle's head so hard, it almost sprang into her bowl of cereal. Stop. Stop. You're going to giggle the castle down. Princess Pickle cried. But the crown didn't stop. Sir Squiggles, the royal advisor, waddled in carrying a scroll twice as tall as he was. His glasses wobbled as he spoke. Your Highness, the Giggle Crown is meant to laugh but only with balance. Balance? Princess Pickle asked, ducking as the crown did a somersault. Sir Squiggles unrolled the enormous scroll and explained. Legend says only one thing can calm the crown when laughter goes too far. The serious stone, kept deep in the quiet caves. Princess Pickle gulped. The quiet caves were so silent if you whispered, even your whisper felt embarrassed. Still, she nodded bravely. I must go, before the crown giggles my eyebrows off. Princess Pickle rode her giggle goat, who was thankfully immune to the crown's chaos, and traveled past the Snorty River, the Chuckle Trees and the Hiccup Hills. Everything along the way doubled over with giggles just by being near her. Finally, she reached the entrance of the quiet caves, so still that even the dust motes floated politely. At the center, on a tiny pedestal, sat the serious stone, a gray rock with a perfectly straight face and absolutely no sense of humor. Princess Pickle tiptoed forward, holding her jumping crown with one hand and reaching for the stone with the other. The moment her fingers touched the serious stone, FWLMPH, a calm, cool wave washed through the cave. The Giggle Crown let out one last tiny hee-hee, and then sighed peacefully. It finally stopped shaking. As Princess Pickle turned to go, she noticed the serious stone glowing with words. Everything is fun, until you forget to stop. Princess Pickle thought hard and realized she'd been telling jokes nonstop, morning, noon and night, until even her crown exploded with giggles. When she returned to Snickerdoodle, Princess Pickle made a new royal rule. Laugh loudly, laugh proudly, but also know when to pause. She still told jokes every day, but she also took breaks to listen, to think, to breathe, and to be calm. And strangely enough, her jokes became even funnier. From that day, the Giggle Crown gave just the right amount of laughter, a happy tee-hee here, a soft snort there, and the kingdom lived in perfect giggly balance. Too much of anything, even fun, can become too much. Know when to laugh, know when to stop, and everything becomes better. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.